Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about if Ikea has the best furniture for desk setups and office setups, and if not, if there's a better option for you. But before we get into that, thank you guys so much for all the support on the channel recently. Make sure you go down, hit the subscribe button, and let me know down in the comments below if I should change my name to Big Boy Tech instead of Big Boy XD. Let me know in the comments below, let me know. And now we're going to get into this video. So, as you guys know, I have the Ikea bekant desk and the Ikea Alex drawers. I'll leave my videos at the top of the card for those videos. But I'm going to be talking about if Ikea is the best option for your gaming setup or if there are better options out there for you. So there's going to be three categories I'm going to judge it off of. And it's going to be price, longevity, and look of the setup. So first we're going to go off price, which Ikea stuff is priced decently cheap. Like this desk and these drawers were not the most expensive thing. I've seen more expensive things at like other furniture stores, so Ikea does have a upper hand on that. But depending on what you like, you can just go to Walmart, purchase a fold-up desk or a really cheap desk from there. That it's all depending on what look you want. If you don't want a super nice look and you just want, say you're a really competitive gamer and you just want to game and you don't really care about how it looks, maybe just going to Walmart and picking up a normal foldable desk or something like that, or just a really cheap desk for you to start off is maybe more valuable for you. But I think for the price, Ikea products are fairly good in that area, but there are things that are cheaper, like I just mentioned, like the foldable desk. So if you guys do want that, then that is another option. Also, before I had the bekant desk, I had another Ikea desk, which I had for a long time, which I sold on like Facebook Marketplace. So check Facebook Marketplace, check a lot of those in your area marketplaces. There, you could also find some pretty cheap deals on there for desk setups or desks and drawers and stuff like that, and also a lot of other stuff. But that is one option. The next is the look of the desk. Now, obviously, this desk and these drawers are going to look better than plastic stuff that you find at Walmart, obviously. But I think these are really nice looking, and for how, if you really want a minimalist desk setup and drawer setup like I have here, Ikea was going to be the best bet. There are furniture stores that have super complex, like tons of cabinets and stuff, desk setups that really I think don't fit the aesthetic nowadays that people really like in their office/desk setup. So there are those options. In my living or in my office, in my house, my parents have desks that I'm pretty sure is more expensive than this, but is a little bit, has some drawers and stuff on it, but for the price, this is way better. That thing out there probably costs way too much money and from a different store that's more expensive. So, and finally I have longevity. So before this desk, like I mentioned earlier in the video, I had another Ikea desk. I'm going to pop it up on the screen. I'll find it. I do not remember what it's called, but I did have another Ikea desk that used to be in here, and it had some drawers on the bottom and stuff like that. But that desk I had for a very long time. I'm pretty sure like 3 to 5 years. I cannot remember how long I had it, but that desk worked for me for a really long time, but my needs just changed. But I wanted a more simple looking desk. That one had two big drawers that I didn't really like underneath it, so I decided to get a new one. But that one really lasted me a long time, and if I needed to, I could have kept it. If I really needed to save money, I could have kept that desk and it would have still worked like I needed it to. So that Ikea wins in longevity. And I mean, I'm assuming the more expensive you pay for, or the more money you pay for a desk, the more worth it is going to be to have it for the long run. So like my parents' office setup desk out in the office of my house will probably last a very long time as well. And I mean, depending on your needs, like I said, Walmart desk could last long if you really needed it to. And it could be cheap enough that if you need to buy multiple, it could be good for what you need. But Ikea desk is really nice. This Ikea bekant desk, I really like it. The drawers, I really like it. It looks great in my room. It goes with my room aesthetic nicely. It's nice, it's minimal, like I said, and I really like it. Is Ikea the best furniture out there? I think maybe it is for the price, but I mean, that's all up to your opinion. In my opinion, I really like it, and I really like a lot of their other stuff. I would go back there to buy more furniture. If I owned my own house, I'd go back there to buy more stuff, and their furniture is very nice looking, very minimal, like I've said multiple times in this video, and very good quality, easy to put together, all that stuff. So alright, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.